algebraic expansion, there are sometimes you have some expressions in algebra that will be needed to be expanded. For example, if you have an expression like a plus 2b minus 5. This is an expression. Now, in these expressions, algebraic expression, there may be need for you to expand the algebraic expression. How do we go about it? I'm going to show you simple ways, whichever ways you wish to choose for your understanding. Now, how do we go about it? Each term in first bracket, this is the first bracket. Each term in first bracket, we multiply the whole term in second bracket. This is a. Let's pick our a first. A, or you pick everything, the whole bracket in the second term, minus 5. Then this is plus 2. You bring it down, plus 2 multiplies the whole term in the second bracket. Now, you've already done the larger part of it. Now, then you simplify. How do you evaluate this? A will multiply b. That is a times b. This will be minus a times 5. This will be plus, you multiply 2 times b. 2 times b. Plus times minus is what? Minus. Then 2 times 5. 2 times 5. Then you have your expression to be ab minus 5a plus 2b minus 10. This is the expression you have. This is how you go about the expansion of two of algebraic expression. Now, let me give you this second way, whichever way you want to choose. If you have this a plus 2 and b minus 5. Now, the simple way you should know is just that the first term here will multiply this. That will be a times b. Now, it will multiply what? It also multiply this. That will be a times minus 5, which will give us what? Minus 5a. This will give us ab. Now, also, this will multiply the last term. That's 2 times 5 minus 5 rather. That will give us minus 10. Then it will multiply this also. That's 2 times b. That's 2b. Then you bring all those factors together. The first one, ab. The second one, minus 5a. The third one, this, that's plus 2b. Then the last one, that's minus 10. That's the final answer when it comes to algebraic expansion. I'll be doing some questions to an example to make us understand more how we can go about this algebraic expansion. Here is an example on how to solve algebraic expansion. I'll quickly do this example so you will understand perfectly well how to go about it. As I said, you pick one of the first term in the first bracket, that's 2p, multiplies all the terms in the second bracket. Then the 3 minus 3q, that's minus 3q, multiplies the whole term in the what? The second bracket. Then you can expand. How do you expand? Your 2p multiplies 5p. That's 2p times 5p. Then another way, your 2p multiplies your 4. That's 2p. That will be minus 2p times 4. Then this minus multiply the value here. That you have minus multiply plus here to give us minus. Then your 3p also multiply this, you have 3q. I mean your 3q multiplies 5p times 5p. Then again your 3q multiplies 4. That's minus times minus is what? Is plus. Is plus. Now 3q times 4, you have your value. Then let's bring it together. 2p, 2 times 5, that's 10. P times p, that's p square, minus 2p times 4, that's 4 times 2, 8p, minus 3 times 5, 15, q times p, pq, plus 3 times 4, 12, q will come down, q times 1 is q. Now from this, now if for example we have like terms, you take your like terms and bring them together, add it up and all this, but in this case we don't have like terms, your answer will still maintain the same value, and that will give us 10p minus 8q minus 15pq plus 12q, and that is on that. But if you want to use the second method, the quicker one, maybe this is the one that makes you understand better how to expand algebraic expression. Now how do you go about it? This will multiply this, that's 2 times 5, 10, p times p square. Now this will multiply, it will still multiply this, that's 2 plus times minus will be what? Will give us minus 2 times 4, 8p. Now again this this will multiply this, that will give us minus times plus, that's minus 3 times 5, that's 15, p times q, pq. Then lastly it will also multiply this, that will be minus times minus is what? Plus 3 times 4, that's 12, that's q. Now this is it. This is a method that it's easy for some students, and you just have to do it the way you understand. Then bring them together. The first one is 10p square, the second one is minus 8p, the third one is minus 15pq, and this is the last one, plus 12q. Whichever way you can understand, the best is just know how to expand. That is on expansion. This is substitution in algebra. In substitution, we will be finding the value of a letter that is being represented in algebra. Now this is how we go about it. This is how we go about this. This is an example. Example 1. When x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4, find the value of xy minus 5y. Now we bring it out. This is our equation. Our equation xy minus 5y. Now what is the substitutions we are looking into here? You change, since we are given x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 4, your x is equal to what? 2. Now xy means times your y is what? 4 minus 5. Your y is what? Times 4. Now 2 times 4 is what? Is 8, minus 5 times 4 is 20. Now this is 8 minus 20, that's plus 8 minus 20, plus 8 minus 20 will give us what? Minus 12. This is an example of substitution. Now let me give you another example. Now in a case when you have this example 2, what is the value of p minus q over p? Now we are working on the solution for this. How do we go about it? It is very, very simple. Now your p is what here? Minus 5. Your q is 10. Now what will the value become? This will be what? Minus 5. This q will be what? will be what? Minus, our Q is 10. This is our Q. Now, over what will be our P here? Our P will be what? Minus 5. Now, from this, you can summarize something. We have minus 5 minus 10 over minus 5. Now, minus 5 minus 10 is equal to what? Minus 15 over minus 5. Now, you see that there's something here. And this is minus, this is minus. Minus divided by minus is what? Is what? Plus, or it's cancelled out. And 15 divided by 5, that will be what? 3. Then our answer for this is what? 3. That's on substitution.